Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to solve the problem of the day, which is of the section that is talking about algebraic method in order to find the limits. For the first one, we remember that we had a rule that says whenever a limit of sign of any argument over that argument when it is approaching to zero is equal to one. Using this formula, I would make this limit in a way that I would use it. So I would rewrite this and I say, I wish I had sine of 3x over 3x when x is approaching 0, so 3x is also approaching to 0. But I have changed the question. So in order to fix it, I say between 5 and x, I use the x, but 5 is left here. And then since I divided by 3, I would multiply it by 3 in order to not changing the question. So using this formula and using the limit law that says you can bring out the number that you have, the coefficient that you have here. So you can say 3 over 5 times limit of sine of 3x over 3x when 3x is approaching to 0 is the same as 3 over 5 times 1, which is 3 over 5. Next one is this quotient, and we would use factoring. We would write the top as x minus 2 times x plus 3, because whenever you multiply these two, you would get x squared plus x minus 6. So over x minus 2, when x is approaching to 2, I can cancel limit of x plus 3. When x is approaching to 2, I can use direct substitution here because it is continuous, it is a polynomial. So I would get 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. And for the last one, I remember that we had a formula that a minus b times a plus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. So I can rewrite the quotient as 3 minus the square root of x over, for the denominator, I can factor out x and I'm left with 9 minus x when x is approaching to 9. When I use direct substitution here, it would be 0 over 0, which is undefined. But using this formula, and instead of a squared, I would imagine that it is 9, and instead of b squared, it would be x. Okay, so a here will be square root of 9, which is 3, minus square root of x times the same thing with a plus. So I will rewrite that here, keep the top the same. And for the bottom, instead of 9 minus x, I would write 3 minus square root of x times 3 plus the square root of x when x is approaching to 9. So I can simply cancel these two, and I'm left with 1 over x times 3 plus square root of x when x is approaching to 9. And now I can use direct substitution. 1 over 9 times 3 plus square root of 9, which is 3. And then the answer is 1 over 9 times 6, which is 54.